In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Facebook Ads Manager. We're keeping it simple and reliable by starting from Business Suite, which is Facebook's central hub for managing your pages, messages, and advertising tools in one place. If you're managing ads for a brand or business, this route is consistent and helps you get exactly where you need to go. First, open your web browser and go to business.facebook.com. This takes you to the Business Suite experience. Depending on your setup, you might see it labeled as Meta Business Suite, and that's perfectly fine. It's the same path. Once it loads, you'll land on a dashboard that shows an overview of your business activity, like notifications, recent posts, and performance insights. If you manage more than one business, take a quick look at the business name shown near the top. It helps to make sure you're working within the right account before you continue. Next, look for All Tools. On desktop, you'll typically find it in the left-hand navigation panel. In some layouts, it appears as a grid-style icon with the label All Tools. Click it to open the full menu of features available to your business. This menu groups options by function, things like planning, selling, engagement, and, importantly for us, advertising. Within that expanded menu, choose Ads Manager. It may be listed under Advertise or simply labeled Ads Manager. Click it, and you'll be taken straight into the Ads Manager interface. Sometimes it opens in the same tab. Other times it may pop into a new one, depending on your browser settings. Don't worry either way, you're in the right place. Once Ads Manager loads, you'll see your campaigns dashboard, which is where you can view existing campaigns, ad sets, and ads. You may notice filters, date ranges, and performance columns at the top. If you manage multiple ad accounts, the interface will usually remember the last one you worked in. You can confirm which ad account you're viewing near the top area of the page. If anything looks unfamiliar, it's often due to interface updates or permissions, so just focus on the Ads Manager header to confirm you've arrived. A quick tip. If your screen is small or the window is narrow, the All Tools option might be tucked behind a menu button. Expanding your browser or scrolling the sidebar can help reveal it. And if you're ever redirected, simply return to Business. Facebook.com and follow the same path. That's it. From Business Suite, go to business.facebook.com, open All Tools, and select Ads Manager. You're now ready to monitor performance, make edits, or launch campaigns with confidence.